Tired of squinting at one tiny screen? Got an old laptop collecting dust? Well, guess what? It's about to become your new productivity BFF. Today, you and me are gonna unlocking the secret to turning your laptop into a powerful second screen, boosting your multitasking game like never before. So let's ditch into the desktop envy and expand your horizon one pixel at a time. So you can connect your laptop wirelessly and through HDMI cable. But if you're going to use a monitor, then you will need to use a HDMI cable. So first of all, on the search box, search for projection settings. Then here you will see optional features. From here, just install the wireless display feature and then follow the video. You can't see it here because I have already installed it, and of course make sure that you install it in both of your PC or laptop. Now in your main PC, press Windows P at the same time and open the Connect app in your second laptop. As soon as you install the wireless display feature, you will get the Connect app. So now first choose the mode, whether you want to duplicate your screen or extend your screen or just want to use the second screen. But in my case, I always like to extend my screen, otherwise I don't see the purpose of getting a second laptop. So after choosing the mode, click on Connect to wireless display and here you will see your second laptop. So just click on it and it will be connected. And now you can work as usual but with a two screen setup. Well, now if you ask me how should I connect my laptop to my PC to use as a second screen, should I use a wireless method or a HDMI cable? Well, my short answer will be use a HDMI cable. That way you will get a smoother performance. The wireless method will be recommended for those who have a high bandwidth internet connection because otherwise you won't get that smooth performance. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell to get new videos like this. As always, my name is Simone and I'll see you in the next one.